Hi, I'm Tom from System Q, and this is a VoltDevil voltage regulator. It takes a 24 volt AC supply and transforms it into a 12 volt DC voltage. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use one of these to power both of these using only one power supply unit. This is our how to fit CCTV tip on using power supply regulators. CCTV equipment comes in a variety of different shapes and sizes, with different kit requiring different power supplies. Some devices take a 12 volt DC supply, such as bullet style cameras. Others take a 24 volt AC supply, such as PTZs. And by using a voltage regulator like this one, you can supply both devices with power from one power supply unit. Supplying multiple devices from one power supply unit is a great way to keep everything neat and organised on site. For our example, we've got this power supply unit with a 24 volt AC output. That's fine to feed straight into our 24 volt AC camera here, and it'll be up and running in no time. But for our bullet style camera, that 24 volt supply will need to be converted down to a 12 volt supply in order to work. So, to do that, simply use a power converter like the VoltDevil in your cable run to drop the 24 volt AC supply down to a regulated 12 volt DC power supply. For the best results, use your converter just before the cable reaches the camera. This is because using 24 volts for most of the cable's run will halve the voltage drop that you'd get from sending 12 volts down the same cable, which is another way that power converters come in handy. You can swap your long 12 volt cable runs for 24 volt ones, which holds power over much greater distances. Then, just before the camera, use the converter to drop the power, and there you go. With one of these handy little regulators, it's easy to power multiple CCTV devices from one PSU. And it can help you out on extra long cable runs where standard 12 volt cable just isn't quite working out. This VoltDevil power converter from our example can take an 18 to 24 volt AC input, and it outputs a regulated 12 volt DC supply. So, if you've been experiencing problems with volt drop or differences in power intakes across a system, you're not alone. And hopefully this video has helped you solve some of those problems. Thanks for watching. I'm Tom from System Q, and we'll be back with more how to fit CCTV tips.